Good morning, guys. What's happening? What's going on? Finally, the day has arrived when I'm supposed to ride. Can you see Akshay? He's actually taking this pipe to wash the car. So I slept exactly 4 hours. Anxiety, obviously, especially riding after so long. I'm doing Delhi to Mussoorie. Actually, it was a solo ride. But now Akshay and Akansha are also coming in the car, so it helps me a lot to keep my baggage there, which is so good. I can be free on the Himalayan. And yes, rest of the details will happen during today's vlog, so please watch today's vlog. I hope you guys like it. So let's start a day with some tea. Introducing my new riding all-terrain jacket by Royal Enfield, Nirvik, right here, wearing the off-road helmet also, which is really comfortable. Okay, so finally all geared up, half an hour late. It's 6:30 in the morning, but the sun is already coming out. हम पहुंच गए हैं जिला गाजियाबाद. Okay, I am in Ghaziabad and finally feels so good. Being on the highway, it is awesome. And yeah, I think I will still not put the GoPro till I reach the mountains. Maybe in hour's time. A bit hungry, but it's fine. I've already done around 60 odd kilometers. Dehradun is 200 kilometers from here, and the next break would be after that. And Mussoorie would be what? Another hour and a half from there, right? Feels so good being on the road. It's a bit chilly thanks to this jacket, which is helping me a lot. So Maharaja Shikanji at this corner, a must come place. And if you're visiting this route, make sure you have this paneer pakoda. It's very unique, very crispy. So far the ride was good. Dehradun is just 20 kilometers left. So the best part about Nirvik is you can open the vents and it has magnets here, which is really cool. I have also opened the back side because right now it's really hot. So this was very important, and some bad overtake happening right now. Whoa! So जब भी आप उत्तराखंड आओ, उत्तराखंड की बसेस से बच के रहना, थोड़ी डेंजरस है. एंड आई थिंक नाउ बैक ऑन द रोड. So we have entered Uttarakhand, and as soon as you enter there is a check naka, and they will check you. Fortunately they didn't check me out, but my buddies got checked. So register online. It's 5-minute walk. You don't have to wait in queue. And then you get something like this, like a token. You can enter inside Uttarakhand. And now I'm ready to ride again. Okay, welcome Uttarakhand, welcome Mussoorie. Yes, that's too much acceleration because I am walking on a very steep hill, as you can see. And just washed my face, washed my hands, just got freshened up. And cars parked here which has our luggage. You can understand how much acceleration you need. And I am actually on foot. I have not removed my denims. By the way, these Levi's denims are worth it. Remove the pads off and you're good to go. And we are starving, so we are looking for a restaurant here. The reason I chose Mussoorie was simple: 6.5 to 7 hours of drive or ride, which is fun. Starting rides again means starting small distances. This is more of hours rather than kilometers. 300 odd kilometers. And hey, this is quite steep, man. I thought I'll also talk about people who are coming to Mussoorie. Weather, oh my god. Because I'm walking, it's fine. It is chilly. It is definitely chilly, and it's just 3:30 in the afternoon. We reached here at 3 o'clock. We left at 7:30 in the morning. You can do the math. Can't ride at high speeds, especially in the ghats, because there are a lot of laws now here. So you have to follow that. That was really irritating me. Delhi Meerut highway, I was storming. By the way, BS6 is smooth and really nice. So I'm really enjoying the Himalayan. This is the smallest cinema I have ever seen in my life. We have a coffee day at the Mall Road in Mussoorie, and those are the roads we were riding actually there. So we took a nice lap. In fact, our hotel is in such a place where I have to explore more further hills. I love winter rides, and I can't believe in 2020 during this situation I'm able to do this. And yes, I've also planned post Diwali a ride, but for at least 20 days or something. So we're gonna be here for a couple of days more, explore a bit, go to cafes, chill out, have fun. It's gonna be totally fun. That's the whole point. And I think this is really nice. Crowd is less compared to what Mussoorie always had. As soon as the sun sets down, it is getting cooler. So now I definitely need a jacket. Today I'm going to spend time in editing and all the jazz which I do as a vlogger. And tomorrow we'll explore places. So stay tuned for those vlogs. Stay tuned for all the vlogs. पहाड़ों में मैगी का मजा ही कुछ और है. Baga from Jetalal. Slope, ready made to do this. Jetalal fans, यहाँ तुम बागा बन सकते हो. Brand new boots की ये हालत. If I get Wi-Fi here, you'll get vlogs at real time. If not, I'll go back to Delhi and upload the video. So that guy did this 3 to 4 times. I don't know why. Anyways, hope you guys have a good time and hope you guys enjoy this video. And if you did, you know what to do. Press the thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and as usual, eat well, sleep well, be good. Signing off, Raj from Radmodo.